So I bought these replacement pool filter cartridges for my Hayward filter. My old ones were getting pretty gunky, and despite washing them with the hose and trying to take good care of them, I wasn't able to get the pressure on my filter back down to the normal range. You can see here it kept high even with the cleaning them. So just make sure you obviously turn off your pump when you take apart your filter. And you can see there my filters were pretty gross, and again, that's despite cleaning them regularly. I needed new ones, so just pop these ones in. They easily slip in, and then I was able to put the top back on. Of course, remember to relock the air valve, and then I used a ratchet to tighten up the belt there. Again, you just want to make sure that you reinstall this properly, as it is under high pressure. And so then you can see that I turned on my pump and my pressure is perfect now. It's right in the middle. Since I installed these filters, my pool is sparkling clean and I'm super happy with how they turned out.